Here's the framework. It's incredibly helpful for storytelling, especially if you're creating comics or manga like me. First, a belief to explore. I noticed Jesus always begins with the audience in mind, then tells a story based on who he's talking to. So in Luke 15, Jesus is talking to the Pharisees and teachers of the law who believe sinners should be rejected. Second, a question that challenges that belief. The question Jesus has for them without outright asking them is this: what if the sinner actually repents? Third, a situation that tests that belief. Now, the beginnings of a story take shape thanks to the question, and this is the situation. A father has a decision to make when his younger son returns home after ruining his life. Fourth, the outcome of the test. The father celebrates the son's return, and the older brother's attitude is exposed. Instead of explaining the truth that God celebrates when a sinner repents, restoring them as sons or daughters, Jesus' story reveals it. I'm still learning how to do this myself, but let me show you how I've applied this 5-point framework into my own comic. And as we go through it, I encourage you to try it with your own story. So number 1, what is the belief you want to explore? The reader I'm thinking about is someone who may have an issue with people-pleasing. I've struggled with people-pleasing my whole life, and there's been times where, out of fear of not being liked or hurt, I've helped to cover up sin. I don't want others to make the same mistake. So in my story, the main character believes to be a good friend, you help your friend get what they want. Number 2, what is the question that challenges the belief? The challenging question I have is this: what if your friend wants you to help him cheat to get what he wants? Number 3, what is the situation that's going to test the belief? The situation can be about anything as long as it is informed by the question. In my comic, the main character and his friend take experimental drugs to instantly gain martial arts skills to win first place and prize money in a world-renowned tournament. To protect their secret, his friend beats up a rival competitor so badly they end up in the hospital. Number 4, what will be the outcome of the test? The main character will realize his lies are only enabling evil, so he decides to come clean about everything, sacrificing his friendship, fame, money, and possibly freedom. If you followed along to develop your comic or manga story, share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you came up with. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.